again, here we are at a beautiful luxury home in the hills of Eugene. This one is 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, it's $659,000, and it's very beautiful. I'll show you inside. As you walk in, you'll notice how open the ceilings are. Very tall and vaulted. And on the left-hand side, you have a formal dining room. I love the detailing of the ceiling in here. There's a chandelier, there's an open window outside, and then they have this paneling around the bottom of the walls that makes it feel more luxury as well. And then you have this little sidebar to keep to make cocktails for your guests. And a hallway that leads into the kitchen. This kitchen looks like it's pretty newly renovated. The countertops are gorgeous. They're this quartz, and their tiled floor is pretty brand new. I wouldn't say that you'd have to change it out, but all the appliances look very new, and so do the cabinets. As you can see, there's lots of storage space. There's a gas stove, and you have another little dining room area here. This one's definitely smaller, not for entertaining. But I love that the flow is nice from the kitchen into the living room. The living room has the open ceiling, the vaulted ceiling. It's not as brightly lit as most houses, but that's okay because you can put lamps in here. It has this big window, but there's not a lot of natural light that comes in through the trees in the backyard. But the backyard itself is very beautiful. There's lots of rhododendrons. As you can see, there's a sitting area and stairs that lead up to a grassy little backyard area where your kids can play. In this living room, there's this big fireplace, a large mantle that's very nice and modern. It's beautiful white. You have the built-in features on the sides, like bookshelves. They've transformed this room, this front room, into a nursery. As you can see, they have a new baby, so they have the blackout curtains on the window. But this is usually a window that's very nice and open, so this room would get a lot of light into it, which is why they have the curtains. But there is a bathroom connected to it with a walk-in closet, this little sink, a little shower and tub, a toilet, which is also connected to another bedroom that has its own sink, another walk-in closet, and here's the bedroom with the window that looks out into the backyard again. So I will show you back through this open room, through the living room, past the dining room, past the little bar area that we saw already. Bathroom, this is the guest bathroom, half bath, toilet and sink. There's a large laundry room, and that connects to the garage. And then you have the master bedroom. I love the way that they decorated this. There's a fireplace as well to keep you extra cozy and warm. And a bathroom. So this bathroom, the tile could be updated in it. The cabinets could be updated a little bit. It's not horrible, but it's not as modern as some people like. There's a nice jacuzzi bath with a huge window, and there's a toilet with its own sliding door. I think this design is really interesting and neat. It's space saving, so you don't have the door that swings out. There's a shower to walk into that's all tiled with that waterfall faucet, and there's a huge walk-in closet. This is the upstairs level. You just come up the flight of stairs that's near the entryway, and as you can see, they have all these jerseys here. This would be a good place to have an office space. They kind of already have an office built into this area. There's a desk there. There's also a bedroom up here that you could use as a guest bedroom. This has a lot of natural light coming in, and as you can see the whole entire city of Eugene from this area because it's so high up in the hills. But as we walk down the hallway through this little office area, there's a little bonus room over here. You just have to go down these stairs, and then it's open into this little area that has its own bathroom. So you could turn this into a room if you needed to. And this, it looks like they have a little TV area. They use this as a little living space, a workout space, but you could pretty much do anything you wanted with this room. Turn it into a bedroom, turn it into a game room. There's a lot of options for it.
Several days later.
We got a really cool custom-built home right behind me. We're in the southwest hills of Eugene once again, and it's really peaceful up here and a really great neighborhood. All the surrounding homes are custom as well. Great to raise a family, obviously. And yeah, you see the front of the home. The architecture surrounding the home is unique. You got the stone on the outside accented with the rest of the home, and just very well built, sturdy custom home on the side of the hill in Eugene. So let's go take a look inside. All right, welcome to the interior of the home. We said the outside is custom, inside is custom as well. The previous owners are just moving out, so it's a little bit messy right now, but it'll be cleaned up obviously. And this is the dining room right here, formal dining room. When we walk in here, this is the main living area. All right, this is an open floor plan from the living room and the kitchen. I think the highlight is the backyard. One of the highlights of this home is the backyard. Really tall trees in the back of the home. The stone styling and the steps that lead to the grass area. It is sloped, but I like the slopes and it feels very luxury. And if you can see in that corner, there's a speaker for the backyard mounted. And plenty of enough concrete for barbecue and for guests. All right. Down the hallway from the kitchen and the dining room, we have a half restroom. And then we have the master bedroom. And here is the master restroom. The walk-in closet. Okay, located on the first story. Our 2 bedrooms or office spaces. So you can make this an office space as well. Leads into the full restroom. It's gonna be a lounge room, exercise room, piano room, bedroom. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Top of the staircase is another bedroom. So this would be a great office space or play area, or if there's a student in the home, great area to study. This is a great lounge room. We've got a full restroom as well. 구독, 좋아요 많이 해주세요. I'm still learning, and I try my best with Korean. But I got good teachers. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe this video for more videos in the future. And this home is great. Most of it's already renovated, it looks like, and everything seems to be up to date. Would be great to hold on to for a little while and then maybe resell in the future. The price will go up in this area. This area is very luxury and a really quiet and nice neighborhood. Or you can pass this house down to future generations and renovate it as you go. But please make sure to turn the notifications on as well for more videos, and God bless. Thank you.